Executive functions are a set of skills that influence impulse control and the ability to focus, prioritise, and achieve goals. Within the domain of executive functions, there are 3 subdomains, also known as higher order thinking skills. These include working memory, which enables the brain to retain and use new and increasingly complex information. An example is when children recall details of a story that has been read or play a memory game. Next, there is inhibitory control. This is the ability to use thoughtful rather than automated responses. An example is when children take turns, delay gratification, or manage their impulses. And third, cognitive flexibility, which is the brain's ability to switch perspectives and refocus attention. Problem solving and multitasking are examples of this. Within each subdomain, there are strands and indicators. Strands describe the capabilities that change as children learn and develop, and indicators describe the progress you may observe. Educators and teachers can use the learning trajectories to inform their practice. Let's look at how the executive functions learning trajectory can be used with the Early Years Learning Framework version 2 planning cycle. First, an educator or teacher observes a child following verbal instructions. Next, the educator or teacher refers to the learning trajectories to help assess the learning they are seeing, identifying the indicator that best describes the child's skill. They recognise that the child's ability to recall and follow simple instructions is an indicator of working memory. The educator or teacher sees an opportunity to build on the child's working memory and plans to support the child's learning through small group games. The educator or teacher then implements a follow-the-leader style game as a group learning experience, providing children with a sequence of actions and having them respond with the corresponding actions. The educator or teacher evaluates the implementation of their plan and considers learning possibilities moving forward. A child's development is influenced by their community, culture, and everyday experiences. The learning trajectories are not designed to be used as a checklist, as each child's development is unique. Rather, they serve as a guide to identifying and extending on children's abilities, knowledge, and understandings. Learn more about the early childhood learning trajectories and how you can use them to strengthen your practice with children and families. Visit the Australian Education Research Organisation's website at edresearch.edu.au.